Alex, I really want to go to my mom's house today.
That sounds nice. But you know our car isn't working.
Yes, that's why I'm worried about how we will go.
Don't worry. We'll find another way.
I don't want to cancel the plan because my mom is waiting.
I understand. Family time is important.
The bus will take too long and it's tiring.
I agree, especially with this weather.
Do you think we can get a taxi easily?
Yes, we can hire an Uber taxi using the app.
That sounds simple and fast.
Uber drivers usually arrive quickly.
But is it expensive?
It might be a bit expensive, but it's comfortable.
Comfort is important today.
Exactly, you can relax during the ride.
Okay, let's try Uber then.
I'll open the app now.
Tell me when you book it.
Sure, I'm entering the destination.
I hope the driver comes soon.
Don't worry, it's booked already.
Hello, is this Alex?
Yes, speaking.
Hi, this is your Uber driver. I've accepted your ride request.
Great, thank you for calling.
I'm about 5 minutes away from your pickup location.
Okay, I'll be waiting outside my building.
Can you please confirm the pickup point?
Yes, it's near the main gate.
All right, I can see it on the map now.
Please let me know if you have any trouble finding it.
Sure, I will call you again if needed.
Which car are you driving?
I'm driving a white sedan, license plate ending in 482.
Okay, I'll look for that car.
Can you also confirm the destination address?
Yes, we're going to city center.
Got it. The route looks clear.
Is there much traffic right now?
No, traffic is light at the moment.
That's good to hear. I wanted to request a small favor if that's okay.
Sure, please tell me.
Could you please come a little closer to the main gate?
Yes, no problem at all.
Thank you. It will be easier for us to get in.
Are you traveling alone or with someone?
I'm traveling with my wife.
Okay, I'll stop right near the gate.
I really appreciate that. I've booked the Uber taxi successfully.
That was fast. What does the app show?
It shows the driver's name and car number.
How far is the driver from us?
He's about 5 minutes away.
That's great. We don't have to wait long.
The fare estimate is also shown here.
It looks a little high.
Yes, Uber is convenient, but sometimes costly.
At least we don't have to worry about directions.
True, the driver will follow GPS.
Did you choose cash or online payment?
I selected online payment.
That makes it easier.
The driver just messaged that he's arriving.
Let's get ready and go outside.
I'll carry the bag.
I'll lock the door.
Okay, let's not keep the driver waiting.
I can see the car now.
Yes, that's our Uber.
Let's go and get in.
Hello, are you Alex?
Yes, that's me.
Please get in. I'll start the trip.
Thank you. The car looks very clean.
Thank you. Please sit comfortably.
The weather is nice today.
Yes, traffic is also not too bad.
That's good to hear.
Is this your first ride today?
Yes, we're going to my wife's mom's house.
That's a long distance, but smooth road.
I hope the ride is comfortable.
Don't worry, I drive carefully.
We appreciate that.
Please let me know if you need anything.
Sure, thank you.
The AC temperature is perfect.
I'm glad you're comfortable.
The city looks beautiful today.
Yes, especially in daylight.
Dad, we've arrived safely.
That's great. How was the ride?
The ride was smooth and comfortable.
Did you come by your own car?
No, our car isn't working. We hired an Uber taxi.
Uber is convenient these days.
Yes, but it was quite expensive.
Really? How much did it cost?
More than we expected.
Local taxis are usually cheaper.
We didn't think about that.
Uber saved time, though.
Time and comfort come at a price.
The driver was polite and professional.
That's good to hear.
Still, the fare felt high.
You should compare options next time. Every service has pros and cons.
Alex, we should think about returning home.
Yes, but I don't want to spend too much again.
Uber was comfortable but costly.
I agree, maybe we should try a road taxi.
Road taxis are usually cheaper.
But they don't always come quickly.
We can wait if it saves money.
That makes sense.
Also, it's good to try different options.
Yes, experience matters. Let's hire a taxi from the road this time. Okay, we'll compare later.
Dad also suggested local taxis.
That's true. We should be smart travelers. I like that idea.
Let's go outside and wait.
Hopefully we find a taxi soon.
I'm sure we will.
Let's try.
Do you need a taxi?
Yes, we want to go home.
Where is your destination?
Near the city center.
That's about 30 minutes from here.
How much will you charge?
I'll charge a fixed fare.
Can you tell us the amount first?
Yes, it will be 25 reals.
That sounds good.
Is the fare negotiable? Yes, we can adjust a little.
Okay, that seems fair.
Please get in then.
Thank you for explaining clearly.
No problem. I believe in honesty.
The car looks comfortable.
I maintain it well.
Let's start the ride.
Sure, please fasten your seatbelts.
We appreciate your service.
Thank you. Let's go.
We're finally home.
That ride felt good and relaxed. And the fare was much lower. Yes, definitely cheaper than Uber.
But Uber was faster to book.
True, it arrived quickly.
Road taxi took more waiting time.
But it saved money.
So, both have advantages.
Exactly, it depends on the situation.
If we're in a hurry, Uber is better. And if we want to save money, road taxi works.
I'm glad we tried both. Experience teaches better than advice.
Next time, we'll choose wisely.
Yes, without confusion.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy English with HK. Your support means a lot and helps us create more helpful videos for you.